Have you noticed your brain feels tired every single day, even after a full night of sleep? It's not aging, it's not laziness. Your brain is fighting invisible forces, stealing your focus, your clarity, your energy. And today, in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how to take your mind back. Build empathy and understanding. Show, through visuals and science, why our nighttime habits silently damage the brain. Split screen. On the left, Alex's chaotic night, scrolling through screens, eating snacks, switching from videos to work emails. The blue glow of his phone flickers across his tired face. On the right, a brain activity monitor lights up wildly, neurons firing without pause. Your brain doesn't shut down when you sleep. In fact, that's when it goes to work, cleaning, repairing, and learning from everything you've lived that day. Inside the brain, an animation of tiny brain janitor cells sweeping away waste, fixing broken connections. Then, the image flickers back to Alex staring at his screen, the blue light burning his eyes. On-screen graphic, cortisol/melatonin. But when you overload your brain before bed with screens, stress, sugar, or endless scrolling, it never gets the chance to rest. Neurons spark chaotically, signals collide, the brain glows red with activity. Cortisol surges, melatonin drops. Cut to Alex tossing and turning, unable to settle into deep sleep. Instead of resting, your brain keeps fighting through chaos. Neural circuits can't rebuild. Memories aren't stored properly, and new brain cells never get the chance to grow. Morning. Alex wakes up, rubbing his eyes, shoulders slumped. Inside his brain, dark, tangled connections flicker weakly. You're not tired because you slept too little. You're tired because your brain never truly rested. All night, it was still cleaning the mess you left behind. Close up on Alex's eyes, dull, foggy. A soft light begins to appear, signaling possibility. The brain animation starts to calm, neurons glowing evenly. But here's the good news. With just a few small changes before you sleep, you can teach your brain to learn faster, remember longer, and wake up truly refreshed. Fade to black. Text on screen, your night shapes your mind. Your brain was never designed for the world you're living in today. We often blame ourselves for feeling scattered, distracted, or mentally foggy, but the truth is, your brain is processing more information in a single day than past generations did in an entire month. 1. The modern world is overloading your mental RAM. Every notification, every message, every decision, big or small, every piece of content you scroll past, they all take a tiny slice of your mental bandwidth. You don't feel those slices individually, but by midday, your internal RAM is already overloaded. Your mind feels cluttered, heavy, and slow, not because you're unproductive, but because you're overstimulated. Your brain wasn't built to jump between 50 tasks, 100 messages, and thousands of microstimuli every few hours. It's like trying to run high-performance software on a computer with no space left. The myth of multitasking. A lot of people say, I'm great at multitasking, but here's the reality. Multitasking doesn't exist. Your brain can't do two demanding tasks at once. It can only switch rapidly between tasks, and every time it switches, it burns more mental energy. Think of it like this. You're not doing tasks simultaneously. You're paying a switching tax over and over and over again. This is why you start your day feeling sharp, but by afternoon, your mind feels foggy and slow. It's not lack of discipline, it's cognitive overload. 3. The symptoms you're probably feeling right now. As your mental RAM fills up, the symptoms appear quietly, that dull, cloudy feeling where thoughts come slower than usual. Simple tasks feel harder, decisions take longer. You reread the same sentence multiple times, your attention slips, your mind wanders. You feel pulled in multiple directions at once. Not physical tiredness, mental tiredness, the fatigue that makes everything feel heavier than it should be. These are not personality flaws. They are signs that your brain is operating beyond capacity. 4. Why this isn't your fault and what you can do. You're not meant to function under this amount of mental noise. But the good news is you can reclaim control with a few simple shifts. Turn off the notifications you don't need. Mute unnecessary group chats. Clear your home screen. Just a few adjustments can instantly free up mental space. Protect your mornings. For the first 1-2 hours of your day, no social media, no news, no inbox diving. Give your brain a chance to warm up gently, intentionally, before the world starts shouting at you. This single habit can dramatically increase focus, clarity, and calm. 5. Your brain needs space to think. Cognitive overload isn't about weakness, it's about environment. When you remove unnecessary inputs, you give your brain room to breathe, room to think, room to be creative and focused again. And that's just the first reason your brain feels tired. Next, we're going to uncover another hidden force, one that drains your mental energy even when you're not using your phone or consuming information. Your brain was designed for meaningful rewards, finishing a task, learning a skill, creating something valuable. But today, your brain is being flooded with quick, cheap dopamine hits every few minutes. And whether you realize it or not, this constant stimulation is creating a massive dopamine imbalance, one that leaves you tired, unfocused, and unmotivated. 1. Your reward system is overstimulated. Every swipe, every notification, every funny video, every like, every short burst of entertainment, each one sends a tiny spike of dopamine into your brain, a small hit of pleasure. Individually, they feel harmless, but layered throughout the day, they overstimulate your reward system far beyond what it's built to handle. Your brain starts expecting constant stimulation, and anything that doesn't deliver instant pleasure feels boring, too hard, or not worth it. 2. The high dopamine, low energy crash. Here's the cycle. High stimulation gives you a temporary sense of energy, a fake spark. It feels exciting, fast, effortless. But after each spike comes a crash. Your brain dips into low dopamine, a state linked to low motivation, difficulty starting tasks, mental fatigue, emotional flatness. This is why you feel tired and drained even after doing nothing serious. Your brain isn't exhausted from hard work, it's exhausted from overstimulation. 3. Your brain becomes addicted to speed. This is the part most people never notice. The more your brain gets used to fast, effortless stimulation, the harder, slow, meaningful work becomes. Reading feels slow, studying feels heavy, working deeply feels impossible. Even simple conversations feel tiring. Your brain has been trained to crave speed, and anything slower feels like pushing against a wall. It's not because the task is hard, it's because your reward system has been hijacked. You're not losing discipline, you're fighting biology. 4. Mini solutions. Reset your dopamine balance. The good news, your brain can recover, and surprisingly fast, if you give it the right environment. Create low dopamine zones. Choose specific times in the day where you avoid quick stimulation activities. No social media, no fast entertainment, no constant scrolling. Start with 1-2 hours. Let your brain breathe. Use grayscale mode. Color is a powerful dopamine trigger. Switching your phone to grayscale makes apps less exciting, reducing the urge to check them without discipline. Limit dopamine snacks. Set clear windows for screen use. For example, only check social media after deep work sessions, or only in 2 short blocks during the day. These small boundaries help restore the sensitivity of your reward system, bringing back your ability to focus, think clearly, and feel motivated again. 5. You're not addicted to your phone. Your brain is overwhelmed. You're not weak. You're not lazy. Your brain is simply drowning in stimulation. But with awareness and tiny daily changes, you can reverse the imbalance and reclaim the mental energy you've been missing. Up next, we're going to explore reason number 3, another invisible force that drains your focus even when you think your mind is resting. Not all tiredness comes from lack of sleep, and not all mental exhaustion comes from overthinking. Sometimes you feel drained because you're carrying emotional weight your mind hasn't had the chance to process. Emotional fatigue is real, and in many cases, it's stronger than physical fatigue. 1. The hidden load you carry every day. Worry, pressure, expectations, fear of disappointing others, stress you never talk about but feel deeply. These emotions don't scream for attention, they whisper, quietly, constantly. And every whisper drains a little more mental energy. Even when you look fine on the outside, your inner world might be fighting battles no one sees. 2. Your brain in survival mode. When stress goes unresolved, your brain enters survival mode, a state meant for emergencies, not everyday life. In survival mode, your mind becomes hyper alert, your body stays tense, your thoughts loop endlessly, your creativity shuts down, and most importantly, you lose access to deep focus. Your brain can't think calmly when it feels like it's constantly under threat. 3. The symptoms you may be feeling right now. Emotional exhaustion shows up in subtle but powerful ways. Things that used to feel easy now feel heavy. Tight shoulders, shallow breathing, restlessness you can't explain. You're there, but not truly there. Your mind drifts, zones out, or shuts down as a defense mechanism. These aren't signs of weakness. They're signs of a nervous system overworked and undersupported. 4. The weight you don't release becomes the weight you carry. Unprocessed stress doesn't disappear. It stores itself inside your mind and body, and when you don't release emotional load, it spills into everything: your focus, your mood, your productivity, your sleep, your relationships. Your brain cannot function clearly when it's busy trying to protect you from internal chaos. But the beautiful thing is, you can release it gently, slowly, one breath at a time. 5. Mini solutions. Lightening the emotional weight. Here are simple, powerful ways to unload emotional tension. Brain dump journaling. Take 5 minutes. Write anything that's on your mind. Don't overthink it. Just let your thoughts move from your head to the page. Your brain feels lighter instantly. Regulate your nervous system. Pause for 30 seconds throughout the day. Notice your breath. Notice your body. Let your nervous system reset. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This switches your body out of survival mode and back into calm, focused mode. Small practices, big clarity. 6. You deserve mental peace. Emotional fatigue doesn't mean you're failing. It means you've been strong for too long without giving yourself space to rest, to feel, to breathe again. When you release emotional weight, your mind becomes clearer, your focus returns, and life stops feeling so heavy. Most people think they're tired because they're not sleeping enough. But the truth is, many people are getting sleep, just not restorative sleep. And that difference changes everything. 1. Without deep sleep, your brain cannot recover. Sleep is not off mode. It's the time when your brain does its most important work. And without deep, high-quality sleep, your brain loses the ability to clear toxins. Throughout the day, waste builds up in your brain, and you gotta specialize. Deep sleep is when your mental cleanup system turns on. Without it, your mind feels heavy, foggy, slow. Reset emotions. This is why you wake up irritable, anxious, or overwhelmed. Your emotional circuits didn't get their nightly reset. Restore energy. Energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from the slow, restorative brain waves that only happen in deep sleep. If you miss them, you start the day already drained. You can sleep 7 to 8 hours and still wake up tired if your body never entered true deep sleep. 2. What's silently ruining your sleep quality? There are 3 major culprits. Nighttime screen exposure. Blue light from phones and laptops tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Melatonin drops. Your internal clock becomes confused. Falling asleep gets harder, and deep sleep becomes shallow. Emotional tension carried into bed. When you carry emotional tension into bed, your body stays in alert mode. Even if you fall asleep, your mind never truly rests. Irregular sleep schedules. Sleeping at different times each day confuses your circadian rhythm. Your brain doesn't know when to activate deep sleep cycles, so it doesn't. This is why you can sleep long but never wake up refreshed. Your brain is resting, but not recovering. 3. Mini solutions. How to improve sleep quality easily. Small adjustments can dramatically change how your brain feels in the morning. Reduce stimulation before bed. 1 hour before bed, put your phone away, dim the lights, avoid bright screens, let your brain transition gently into night mode. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. Your brain loves rhythm. Consistency creates deeper sleep automatically. Get morning sunlight. Just 5 to 10 minutes of natural light in the morning anchors your circadian rhythm. It helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper at night. These tiny habits send a powerful message to your brain. It's safe to rest. You can recharge now. 4. Your tiredness isn't your fault. You're not unproductive. You're not just getting older. You're not lazy. Your brain simply isn't getting the recovery it needs. But with a few gentle changes, your sleep can transform, and your clarity, energy, and focus will rise with it. Up next, we move into reason number 5, where we reveal another silent factor draining your brain every day, even during moments you think you're resting. Now you understand the truth behind your tired mind. Your brain isn't failing you. It's not broken. It's simply overwhelmed. Today, we uncovered the 4 hidden reasons your brain feels drained. 1. Cognitive overload. Too much information, too many decisions, too many mental tabs. 2. Dopamine imbalance. Constant stimulation hijacking your motivation and focus. 3. Emotional stress, the invisible weight that silently drains your mental energy. 4. Poor sleep quality, getting hours of sleep, but not the restoration your brain desperately needs. And here's the message I want you to walk away with. You can fix this. Your mind is incredibly adaptable. With the right habits, the right pauses, the right care, your brain can rebuild clarity, energy, and calm faster than you think. You don't need a huge life transformation, just one small change this week. Reduce digital noise, limit fast dopamine, release emotional tension, protect your sleep. Pick one, commit to it, and watch how your energy, your focus, your entire mental state begins to shift. Before you go, tell me in the comments, which habit will you change first? I want to hear your answer and cheer you on. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more life-improving lessons on energy, focus, and mental clarity. Remember, your brain is powerful, your energy is retrainable, and your life can feel lighter starting today.